over. Go back over there.
He wants to do sit in my lap. I'm not gonna cross my legs, but even when I cross my legs, he still wants to
Cross them. Cross them. He just wants to sit on your lap. Kiss sister. Put your legs down. Look at Look at his shirt. Cross them real quick. Cross them. Let him sit. Let him sit like you did a minute ago, and then unfold them. Okay. Kate, don't come on the carpet. I don't want ice cream on the carpet.
I can't see. Turn the TV on.
I will. Excuse me.
Please.